How to get more emojis on WeChat. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can get more emojis on WeChat. To explore it, you'll have to open your WeChat application first, and on this home page below you will see various icons there. Click on that me icon at the bottom right corner. After clicking on it, you will enter to this page. Here you will see sticker gallery option just below my post. Click on it and you will enter to this page. Here you will find various stickers. Now on this page, tap on that search icon at the top and on the search bar type emojis. Once you have typed the keyword, click on that search button at the top and it will present you various search results. Here you can find the one you like, or you can click on this more option at the top to view the variety of collections, from where you can choose the one that interests you. Scroll down and find the one that you find suitable. Once you find the emoji that interests you, click on them and under it you will find the variety of emojis. Now to add them on your WeChat, you will have to click on this add button at the top and wait for a while patiently. After it, click on the use button and it will guide you to this page. Here select the chat to whom you want to send the emojis. Now you will find the emojis that you have just added. By following these steps, you can get more emojis on WeChat. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.